Okay, today we are seeing the example on Legendre linear equation. Okay, let us see. We are having the example of it is third order because dqy by dx cube is here. If you observe, the problem is here x minus 1 cube dqy by dx cube plus 2 x minus 1 square, the second derivative of y with respect to the x, then it is minus 4 x minus 1 first derivative of y with respect to the x plus 4y equals to 4 log of x minus 1. So what is the speciality of a Legendre linear equation? You are having here the power of x minus 1 as 3 and here order is also 3. Here power of x minus 1 is what it is? 2. Order is again 2. Okay, power of x minus 1 is 1, order is 1. So that is the speciality of a Legendre linear equation. So that way that is the way of deciding whether the equation is a Legendre or not. So now writing the equation into the symbolic form, we take the ddx as a capital D and I take the y outside. So that will be x minus 1 cube d cube plus 2 x minus 1 square d square minus 4x minus 1, then it is d plus 4 y taken outside equals to the RHS part as it is. Now which is a Legendre linear equation? To solve it, what we do? We do the substitution. What substitution we do? X minus 1, this quantity we substitute as it is e raised to the power z. I take the logarithm to both the side. तो ये क्या आ जाएगा? It is z equals to log of x minus 1 and simultaneously we replace the quantity that is x minus 1 d by it is 1 into d1. What is this 1? 1 is the coefficient of x we write down. कॉशी में ये चीज़ हम नहीं लिखते हैं, ओके, बट इसमें आपको लिखना है दैट इज कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स इज वी हैव टू टेकन इनटू द अकाउंट, सो दैट विल बी द 1 into the d1. d1 stand for the derivative with respect to the z, d stand for the derivative with respect to x. Then x minus 1 square d square will be replaced by again coefficient of x that is 1 का square, then it is d1 minus 1. Then again we are having the term of it is third degree x minus 1 cube d cube, that will be replaced by 1 cube, again coefficient of x that is 1 cube, d1 minus 1 d1 minus 2. Substituting all this quantity in the equation number 1. So resulting equation will be this quantity, that is we are replacing this one x minus 1 cube d cube by d1 minus 1 d1 minus 2, which is listed here. Similarly x minus 1 square d square is replaced by d1 minus 1, then that is x minus 1 d is replaced by d1, it is 4 equals to it is 4z. Okay, how it is z? We are having log of x minus 1 and log of x minus 1 is we have taken as it is what? Z. So z is written here. So RH is a function of completely z. Now with this substitution as well as we are changing the independent variable. पहले x था, अब क्या हो जाएगा? It is z. Okay. Now simplifying the quantity, brackets open करेंगे, multiply करेंगे, तो after simplification we get this one, that is a cubic equation, third order equation with constant coefficient. So it is a higher order linear differential equation with constant coefficient. इसको solve करना हमको आता है. We'll find out the complementary function and it is what? Particular integral. Now auxiliary equation will be given by, then it is m cube minus m square minus 4m plus 4, that is I am replacing the d1 by it is what? M, leaving other terms equals to it is 0. It is a cubic equation, so it will have a 3 roots. Okay, that 3 roots are it is minus 2, 2 and 1. You can use calculator or manually you can calculate the roots if you can. Then m is equal to minus 2, 2 and 1 are the roots. Writing the CF, so while writing the complementary function for the Cauchy and for the Legendre, always write down that in terms of the independent variable that is z, which is changed. So that will be CF equals to c1 e raised to the power minus 2z plus c2 e raised to the power 2z or 1 के लिए plus c3 e raised to the power z. Okay, that is the complementary function for this equation. After that particular integral, that will be given by 1 upon that function of d1 which is here into the RHS part, that is 4z. Now 4z है मतलब z is having the power 1, it is a polynomial of degree 1. Okay, इसमें हम क्या करते हैं, जो लोएस्ट डिग्री टर्म रहता है डिनोमिनेटर में उसको बाहर निकालेंगे और 1 प्लस के फॉर्म में डिनोमिनेटर को आपको लिखना है. So I take the 4 outside here, then writing into 1 plus form. So 1 plus लिखा दो, 4 यहाँ से निकालना है तो 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे, then 4 से इसको डिवाइड करेंगे, 4 से इसको डिवाइड करेंगे, that will be 1 plus this quantity. Okay, and we are writing into the ascending powers of the d1 because expand करते समय हमको ascending powers लगता है. So पहले d1 then d1 square then it is d1 cube we are writing, then taking this to the up with a negative index to the power minus 1. Okay, 4 get cancelled here and now expanding this term here by using the binomial expansion we are having this formula, you know very well, it is 1 plus x to the power minus 1. What is the formula? 1 minus x plus x square minus it goes so on. Okay, this is the 1 plus x, applying the formula 1 minus x plus x square minus goes so on, it is z. It is 4 get cancelled. Okay, now after that the z is here, first derivative of the z will be it is 1, second derivative will be it is 0, third will be 0, fourth will be 0. So we are just leaving all these terms, further terms, because this is a d1 square, d1 cube, third derivative, second derivative likewise. ये सब term हम छोड़ देंगे, हम सिर्फ लेंगे what is it? This d1 term, it is 1 plus d1. So 1 plus d1 into taken into the account into z. So 1 into z and derivative of z is what? It is 1. Okay, d1 stand for the ddz, that is derivative with respect to the z. Now this is the pi. Combining the complementary function and this particular integral, we have a complete solution for this equation, higher order equation with constant coefficient. So that is Cf plus pi we have written here. And now we require the solution for the given Legendre equation. Again resubstitute the things that we have taken there. हमने क्या लिया था? x minus 1 equals to e raised to the power z, या फिर z equals to क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? log of x minus 1. इसको आपको यहाँ पे substitute करना है. Then we'll have a solution of a given equation. So it is C1 e raised to the power minus 2z is here. We have taken e raised to the power z as it is x minus 1. So this will be written as x minus 1 to the power minus 2. Then plus it is e raised to the power 2z, that will be written as x minus 1 sorry x minus 1 square. Then e raised to the power z is replaced by x minus 1. Z is what it is, log of x minus 1 plus 1. So this is the solution for the given Legendre equation. So what we do, it is similar to the Cauchy. We reduce the given Legendre equation to the higher order linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Then we will find out the complementary function and a particular integral. Combining that, again resubstitute the things to get the required solution of the given equation. Okay? Thank you. Legendre clear है सभी को? I am giving the example. Okay, shall I start?